This 2018 Crossroads Sunset Trail Super Lite SS222RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Crossroads is 26 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, air conditioning, slide-out, DVD player, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, external shower, water heater, LP detector, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Crossroads Sunset Trail Super Lite SS222RB is 4,734 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.